All right, welcome in everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. I won't spend much time on this, but I think this is so cool. I'm so excited that we got some shirts that y'all can get, and anything that you want, we can get it or design it. So I bought my shirt yesterday. It says Heather Cardinal, so I don't know if that's Heather. That's the shirt that I bought, and hopefully it's going to be that pink because I'm gonna wear this to the gym. Let me blow that up. Yeah, look at that. It says Trade Naked, and then I bought it, and Beth's like, "That's just nasty. You can't wear." And I'm like, "Beth, we have our own vernacular for trading." She says, "Yeah, but people gonna think you do stuff naked." I said, "Beth, I do stuff naked. I can shower naked." I said, "What?" Well, what did you say then, Beth? Oh, she said people that don't know are gonna think it's vulgar. Well, excuse me, it's the same thing. So anyway, now what I didn't like is I got a 2XL. Then they charged me $2 extra for that. So y'all's should sell $25 unless you're tubby like me. And then if it had been a 3X, they charged me like $3 extra. So I said, I'm gonna save $1 and see if I can't squeeze into the 2X. But we got these things up to 3X. And then I had to pay shipping and a little bit of tax. So I think altogether mine was $32.91. But I'm really excited. And we got caps coming, we got mugs coming, we got all kind of stuff. Really fun. All right, let's get into the market stuff. So rough. Market is rough, y'all, but volume is up, which tells me we've got big participation on the down move. We got a little pivot point or something here that's serving as some type of support and resistance. We are down 1%, but it looks like a really, really controlled day. Look at this. This almost looks like the VIX, doesn't it? It goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. This is one of them days that some of y'all that are talented might be able to scalp a little bit, make you a little money. If you want to try that, I don't recommend it. The VIX is up to about 27. AD low is negative 395. Behave, it's negative 219 right now. And we're in lunchtime shop. Look at there, y'all. We are circling the overnight low. Just kind of cool. Kind of cool. All right, let's look at our big green monster because we have tails to tail. Y'all, we went from being oversold to overbought. This, ladies and gentlemen, has all of a sudden became bearish. Remember yesterday I said, oh, no doubt in my mind, baby, we're going back into this area. Remember? Oh, Bobby, oh, Bobby, oh, Bobby. Remember, oh, Bob, saying all that garbage? But now the tea leaves say different. Tea leaves say, okay, for the moment, we're overbought. What does that mean, Tub? Well, let me show you what it means. That means that if we're overbought, that we're going to perhaps go down into the new fair value zone, which be looking at this 37.59. That's where it could go. Now, we're going to spend a little time here. It looks like price is going to make its mind up. Do I want to be overbought or do I want to be oversold? So we'll see. Look at this. Isn't it amazing how our little lines come into play so often? But it's got to make its mind up. Are we going to be overbought or we're going to be oversold? So right now we're overbought. If we're overbought, I'm looking for bigger moves down. So my whole thing just changed. Yeah, Joe, this is the big green monster. Oh, no, it's not. Dang. Joe, thank you. Where's Rick at? Rick, how come you ain't already talking? It's the first day of the month. Is Rick in here? No, Rick's not in here. We can talk about it. Joe, thank you for being the new Rick for the day. So let's go ahead and draw it. Let's draw it quickly, shall we? Because we have changed into a new month. So all that, let's see how it all plays out. Yeah, because you're going to change my whole way of doing this. All right, so what we're going to do is we're gonna dump this, right? We're gonna remove it. Now we've got classes on drawing the big green monster, so I'm gonna go real fast. Okay. You don't know what we're doing now. Take some Tylenol, take a deep breath, and we'll be good to go. I remember how to do this. All right, here we go. Plain chart. Clean chart. So this is August before the September. So let me go get me a stuff. I'm gonna drop from the bottom to the top. I'll talk to myself during this, so y'all just hang with me. Edit properties. Go to the low to the high. The low is 43.27. No, the high is 43.27.50. Look how close I got there. 43.27.50. I am the stuff, y'all. 43.27.50. The low is 39.53. 39.53. Remember when we were trading all kinds of stocks and we draw this like on 20 different things? Not anymore, baby. We are focused. Oh, it didn't move much at all. Did y'all see that? Oh, well, that's okay. Now this is interesting because we've never really seen this before. Y'all see how the 50% line is in our little green line right there? So there's really nothing to do, right? I mean, you could, but you're going to mess yourself up, right? Because technically at this point we would go, well, draw this thing here to this and then do that. And then, no. When this does it, we don't do anything because really you'd be only moving this up a little bit and this down a little bit. So what you do is you don't do anything. You just kind of go, okay, baby, let's edit our properties. Let's call this AUG for sale. I said, let's call this AUG for sale. And call it green, baby. Let's make it green. So everything I told you at the beginning of the day, just forget it. We got a new chart. Bobby, does it make that big a difference? I don't know. It's worked for us so far. Well, I say it's worked for us so far until we see our profit and loss for the day, right? All right, look, it didn't change much at all, did it? Did it? Did it? So yeah, it moved a little bit. Remember, because we saw this was at the top of that. So we did move just a tad. But look at this, y'all. Point of control is right at our 50% line. So let's draw everything. This is fair value. This is oversold. And this is overbought. So everything that I did tell you before is pretty much right. This is bearish. This points to downward motion. We shall see. But remember, we never forget our point of control. And this is a strong point of control because it's right on our 50% line. So there's a strong gravitational attraction, even though it's going up and not down. You'd say, was that gravity? Maybe not gravity. It's something. So there's a strong attraction to go in here, but we're overbought for the down. So the primary thesis has to be downward. It has to be. But I'm always looking upward too. Thank you, Joe, for letting me doing that. Oh, I didn't tell you why I was doing the showing y'all the shirt. So the shirt here, right here's the little store where you can buy stuff. Everybody that buys this, Ed's bought his. He bought, let's see what kind of thing he bought. He bought a green shirt. And Ed, thanks for, did you not text me back? I was trying to get Ed, I sent you I sent Ed like 4 or 5 messages this morning. Did he text me that? No. So anyway, he bought the green one and he got a little bitty one. So he only paid $25. But everybody that orders a shirt through September the 30th or orders anything, we'll have mugs, we'll have a whole 9 yards. Then anyone that orders, send me your little receipt like Ed did, or just post it here. And then we're giving away a coaching session for somebody like you won't be coached by me based on how we're doing in the market today. But anyway, free coaching session. We're doing a drawing for that. Right. Now, have I said everything I need to? Ed, you didn't get my text I sent you this morning. I was getting Ed to help. Oh, if I win, I'm donating back to the room for a redraw. Oh, how sweet is that? Yeah, and I was trying to figure out what kind of caps we were getting, and I was getting your opinion on caps. I think we need Stacy to look at the caps too. I think Stacy would be a good one to check out caps. All right, so let's look now at our market performance before my phone goes dead. And I know what y'all would say, it's almost dead. But y'all would say, oh, Bobby just didn't want to show it today because it's really bad. And you would be right. You would be right. You'd be like, yeah, oh, Bob. Come here, baby. Don't go dead on me. It's almost dead. Let's see how bad we're doing. Oh, no. Oh, it hurts. All right, let's put it in. Let's just do it. Just do it, baby. Well, it ain't that bad. All right, here we go. So let's do the small one first. That's much smaller today. So we'll go 9-1, 22. Ooh, this is nasty. 25,506. Now this is about where y'all, start running out. And let me get the other count. It's gonna be nastier because it's bigger. Oh, behave. Be still my soul. Okay, I can handle it. Beth, you don't need to listen to this. Get out. Get out what? She said if there's anything that, what'd you say? If there's something that I don't want her to hear, I shouldn't be saying. Okay, Beth, I got you. 09990993 182. All right, so we're down. All right, now let's go get our grades. Wish my phone had gone dead, and then I wouldn't have had to show all that garbage. All right, here we go. All right, so what are we doing? Which one? Crimson first, right? 9564 is our deltas. And it's fine. Reaction ratio 95. Woo! Boy, is that ugly. Rough. Our theta is going to be massive. Theta is 91.76. But now, this is where we learn though, right? It's during these times. So everything can be rosy all the time. Yeah, you don't want it to be rosy all the time. This is where we do our true learning. Oh, and by the way, so this is good, right? This is bad. Look at there. It's saying, hey, Bob, hey, Tubbs, you need 57 negative deltas. And this is where I will say, okay, let me sell a call. Let me sell a call spread. Let me sell a future. Stop it, Bobby. Stop it. Just don't do it. Don't even entertain the thought. Y'all know I want to. You know I want to. I want to reduce those deltas to zero. I really do. But y'all know as soon as I do, that market will smack up and kick me in the butt. So this tells me I am too long. This tells me I cannot put on a trade today. This says I can put on a trade today. But if one thing says I can't put on a trade, I can't put on a trade. Now, if you're a call seller, you could put on a trade. If you're a future seller, you could put on a trade. But I am trying my best not to do that. So 11,638, my buying power continues to expand. That's fine. 11,638. So let's check it out. We're at 45%. Where should I be? I should be at 35%. Okay. I'm at 45%. You know, Tom and Tony, Tom Shoshanoff, as Beth says, and Tony, how do you say Batista, Beth? Huh? Batista? What'd you say? Batista? Anyway, that's how Beth says it. You know, they're doing a top dogs count. They're using 50% of their buying power. Hey, I'm pretty good. I'm at 45%, right? So I'm really, really good. Even though everything says, Bobby, you cannot trade. Unless I was selling futures, unless I was selling calls, and I'm slapping myself on the hand. I'm not going to do it, right? Because here's the first thing that we're going to do. And we've been doing this the last couple of days since our trades are in trouble. We're looking at them. We're looking at our troubles. Look at your troubles. All right, so here we go. Hide simulations, right? Hide simulations. We're going to look at single symbol, and we're going to then group them. Make sure you group them over here. And let's check them out. See if there's anything that we need to mess with. All right, so we'll go back to analyze. One expiration, so it'll show each trade. Here's all of our groups. Now, well, this is in the first expiration. So let's show that. How many, our first expiration says, man, we're down $1,048. But y'all, oh, behave. If we stay where we're at right now, right, we're going to be up $1,800 in just a month. Can you hold on for 30 days without blowing your account out, Bobby Gaines? Can you hold on, you fat black glass Elton John loving spam hat, 9-toed son of a gun? You can you? Oh, behave. What if we go down another 5%? Bobby, you're going to be down $4,296. But you be at $994. I know it's painful, y'all. It's painful. So let's just, my thing right now is I'm holding. Now let's see if we're going to manage anything. Let's go through the groups really quick, like, and I'm going to go through fast. If you are missing 1116 is gone. Good. That's that put debit spread that did nothing for us yesterday. Okay. Remember, I taught you 2 days ago how to read the risk profile graph. So I'm not going to go into depth here tomorrow. Is my short strike breach, my naked strike breach? The answer is no. There's no management to do. Matter of fact, even though I'm down $97, if I hold right here, I'm going to make $307.50. I'm doing good. Can you show your well at Tasty Works and explain it? Yes, I will. See, Beth, Boat and Golfer just asked a question if I could show my tail. No, I'm sorry. He said show my whale. So that gives me an idea for a t-shirt. Ask me to see my whale, right? You think that's more gym show appropriate? You think if I go in there in the gym, Beth, with a t-shirt that says, ask and I'll show you my whale, you think that's more gym appropriate? Not weight, Beth, whale. Yeah, Beth, I'm gonna have people, men and women, come out and me say, yeah, I'd like to see your whale. Okay, and then you flop it out, right? Oh, Gerardo says, I'd like to see a pastor trader wearing that shirt. Yeah, that'd be a great one, huh? Hey, show me your whale. Oh, we got to figure that one out. Y'all, we got to have that shirt. Now, that's got to be a shirt, right? Yeah, Boat Golf. You get $1 off of that shirt, baby. I'll give you $1 off with the shirt. What, Beth? That doesn't sound vulgar. Hey, Bowden Golfer wanted to see my whale. I mean, he's the one that came up with the shirt idea. Isn't it great? Oh, gosh. Man, it's too fun. All right, so this trade looks, we're in the profit. Yeah. This trade looks great. Let's go down. 148. Y'all, it looks great. They're down, you know they are, but look at the trades, y'all. They're beautiful. Oh my gosh. They're beautiful. 11117. Oh, man, a thing of beauty. We're going through quick. Look at this. That's a hedge trade, y'all. It looks great. Just beautiful. We're taking pain, no doubt. That's getting close, right, to management, but we're not managing yet. Let's see. Oh, that's good. I'll be thinking about that all day. All right, so everybody sees that that we're really good in this account. All right, let's go to the other account. Oh my goodness. I just keep thinking about Moby Dick, and I just need to get off of that. What, man? No, sorry. All right, so Delta's at 211.10. Woo! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna run out of money buying all my t-shirts. What? Where are you going? To do what?
I'm gonna spend the same amount of money that you just whispered that you lost there.
No, you ain't. What are you buying, babe? What are you doing? No, where are you going? Tell me the truth. No, for what? No, I just want to know where you're going. For what? Unbelievable. What? Peace out. 34,389. What an uncontrollable one. She said she's gonna spend the amount of money that I've lost in the market today. Unbelievable. And I think she will. What was it? 343.89 or something? Oh, I better stop her. Yeah, 34,389. So let's see what this says. Wrong one, Bob. Oh, did y'all notice today that you didn't come into a waiting room? I've been on the chat with all day with what's her name, Zoom, and we got that figured out. All right, so we got 211 in deltas. Oh, y'all, it says minus 63. I should only have 140 something another, 149. I want to sell a future. Gosh, I want to sell a future so bad. But y'all know every time I do it, it's going to, the market's just going to rip up. So I'm not going to do it. Look at this though. My theta's great, right? You want it to be between 0.1 and 0.5, so I'm good. And look at here, baby. 34% of my buying power. I can go to a maximum of 35. So this says trade. This says trade, but oh, behave. This says don't trade. Now I could trade if I sold a micro future, which would give me negative 50 delta, would give me negative 50 deltas, which means I would be 13 long there. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not doing that. I probably should, but I'm not. Y'all make your own decisions. All right, now where was I doing? Oh, so what are we going to do? Well, we're going to go over to the old bar and hello ladies. But I got a feeling they ain't no hello ladies, right? Up 7.65%. No, that's down 133. Oh, this is where Ed taught me how to do this. He says, Bobby, show this. Okay. So down 129%, down 63%, down 88%. You don't see all that. Down 52%, down 11110 is gone. We close that. Down 143%, down 295%. Bobby, wait a minute. If it's down 200%, you got to close it, don't you? No, you really don't. Unless you're a trade manager. Take something off. Look for a winner. I'm looking for it, Ed. That's another shirt we could get. Take something. No, the shirts just say, you want me to show, let's see, you want to see my winner? Let me take something off. Oh my gosh. Where are we going today? This is terrible. -283, -54, -195, -241, 111/18. We apparently have taken off. Doesn't have a little cog wheel over here. So -27%, -168, -88. There ain't nothing to take off. There is nothing for me to do other than admire our trade. So we go over here, hide simulations. We go to look at our groups. Just entering the profit tent. Everybody with me? Yeah, you want to see my winner? Let me take something off. Unbelievable. All right, so we're not even in the profit tent here. Beautiful. We're not even in the profit tent here. Well, we are slightly, right? Got plenty of time to go. We could go down another 12%, and this trade will be just perfectly fine at expiration. 111/23, not even in the profit tent. In the profit tent, not breaching the naked component. In the profit tent, yeah, we're getting close to maybe managing that. We're either going to manage after we breach the strike, or we'll manage at break even. It doesn't matter. We're going to be able to get a credit on either one of those. Right, so we're going to be fine. 111/19, 114. Beautiful. We're right kind of in the middle of the profit hump. 111/24. Not even to the profit tent. Look at there. We need to come up. Hump, tent, whatever you call it. Well, we're at the upper third of the profit tent. We're in kind of in the middle of the profit tent. 145th. Oh my God. Hey, I'm gonna see if she'll bring me back another chili cheeseburger. Hold on a second. Can I text Beth just a second? Boy, that thing was good yesterday. Will you get me a chili cheeseburger from Southern Lady with fries, or onion rings with fries? Ketchup, mustard, pickles only. Ketchup, mustard, no, ketchup, mayonnaise, pickles, and pickles. Sorry, y'all know my mental health issues and ADHD. Sorry. 11246. I think I emailed the band director instead of band. No, I emailed them. All right, 11240. It'd be funny if my band director, if the band director school brought me a chili cheeseburger, I'll be like, hey, 111/20th. Look at this, y'all. We're barely into the profit tent. And y'all want hedges. Why do you want hedges? We got hedges. We just need time. There we go. Ta-da! We're done. We're done. Got nothing else to do. Oh, y'all want to see my profit hump in Tasty Works? Let's see. Oh, now there's something I'm gonna do here. We've got profit and loss on the open. We lost 103 days. I think what I am gonna do here is I've got some 15-day options that are really profitable. I mean, these are naked ones, right? So it's lost $4 today. Well, cry me a river. I'm just gonna take off a little profitable, because I have a different way of managing this account. I'm doing some, how shall we say, experimentation. Go back to the mid price there, see if we can get out of that for $2. $2. Let's see what else positions we've got over here. 15-day. This one is a naked component as well. We lost $5 today on it, but we're up $89. I'm just gonna take a little risk off. Close position. I'm gonna go below the mid price. See if we can get a feel. Still 225. Come on, baby, get me in. Come on, baby, get me out. Working. I left my job in the city. Yeah. Oh man, that moved a lot, didn't it? Just get out a couple of risks. Taking off some risks. Taking off a risk with some of these netics. Let's see. And what else we got? This one is a naked. That's down $4, but I'm up $91. Ring the register, baby. Close position. That's probably all I'm gonna take off. Just doing a little bit of that different over here. That increase my buying power a little bit and go. All right, so let's see our well over here. Now remember, we got a problem. And the problem is we've got MSU2s and we got MESZTs, right? And so we figured out that you can only see the UTs or U2s or the Z2s. You can't see them both together. And we've talked with Tastyworks about, hey, we want to see the whole thing together. So it's coming in December. No, I'm just joking. They'll have options in December in Canada. That's the funniest one of all time. All right, so let's look at these, shall we? We'll go to the curve, go to the analysis, we'll go to Theo, which is supposedly being today, right? Supposed to be today. Profit and loss is 1,800 theoretically open. Let's see, make sure we're at today. No, we're not at today. Let's do today. I'm just looking here. Make sure I got everything marked right. So this is Theo. Theo should be today, right? Right. With a profit hump like that. And then at expiration, it looks like that. Isn't that wild? So profit hump today is here, but apparently as time goes by, our little hump, our little whale, and for those of y'all that are new, let's draw the whale. Want to see my whale? Got the little spout, got the little eye, got the little mouth. Our whale apparently goes much farther down toward expiration. Right, our little profit hump. Let's look at the MESE2s or U2s or hang in there, buddy. Go back to positions. Now let's look at our E2s or Z2s. And then we're Z2s. So go back to trade curve. Theo's totally today. Well, that don't look right. Does it? Oh yeah, I see what it is. This is today, right? So we've apparently got a big profit hump that we've developed up here, theoretically. Make sure the day is the same. Today, yep. And at expiration, that hump should pop down here. Right? Let's see if that's the case. Yeah, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, market's down 1% today. You're taking heat on your positions. Here's what most people are going to do. Here we are. This looks logical to me. This looks logical. I don't see anything that's telling me that this is not logical. And we're not going to be surprised if we go down here to 3,600. We're just not. You brace yourself for it. I'm planning on it. Right? I want to put on new trades. I just can't right now. I'm going to let my theta run. I'm just going to hold them. And if I have to roll something, I'm going to roll. So I would say don't flip out. Don't flip out. Everybody just know what you're doing. We expected this, did we not? When everybody else said, Robbie, this is bullish, we're just going to keep on going, the recession's over. We have clearly said, remember way back here, we're in a bear market. And I think it was right here. I said, we're in recession. No, we're not in recession. Look at this. They redefine what a recession is. We're in recession. It was amazing. I've got a friend that lives in Savannah, Georgia. I saw he listed his house for sale. That's what Beth said. Dude, I am trying to do something with limited time. Nonetheless, get my chili burger. Jeez. Burger. Limited time. What has she got today? So I don't think anything coming as a surprise here. It just looks like a logical, very well-defined bear market. Y'all good with that? Questions, comments? Nothing? How y'all quiet? Are y'all okay with y'all's positions? Is anybody puking? Hey, life goes on, baby. What are you talking about? About my cheeseburger or will you trade? Or both? All right, no questions, no comments, no anything. All right. All right, well, okay. I will see y'all tomorrow. Don't puke.